Well, we have some silly season news, and it's technically across the pond he moves. That's Guillem Ferris, and if you don't remember, he's been both signed to Monster Energy Yamaha over here, and also last year to the Husqvarna or Rockstar Husqvarna Racing, who he didn't race for, I think, very much at all. If you little backstory here, if you will. He was signed for them and then raced the first two rounds of the 250 SX East Championship, finishing eighth and ninth. Then he broke his femur and he was completely out of Supercross, obviously. And he was supposed to come back for motocross, but didn't because he had hardware taken out of his leg. So he never came back. And as of now, he's gone. Well, not gone, but he's moving on from Supercross, motocross to MX2, saying, quote, signing with Monster Energy Triumph Racing is a dream come true for me. I've been watching the team compete this year, and what they've achieved is amazing. This gave me a lot of confidence to sign with them, knowing that the bike is competitive and it clearly performs very well. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been riding the bike, and I'm so impressed already. The team had a good base setting for me to try, and so far it's been working really well. I can't wait to begin preseason testing and really dial in the bike to suit my style, and I know by the time the season starts, I'll be ready for round one. Now, this is kind of funny because, you have a lot of the bigger talk from the Cohens and Kaida Wolf and Prado and Vial coming from MXGP over here, and he's going from here over there. And who knows? I mean, it sucks that his last, well, couple seasons have been ruined by injuries. Like, I mean, that's just it. If something like that happens, it's going to screw up a lot of things and you're going to lose contracts because of just being out for all the time. But hopefully he moves over there. Hopefully it's good. Obviously, they've proven, at least in the MXGP or MX2 side of things, that the bike is competitive. And it has been over here too. So you can't say it's going to be bad. And it's just going to be a factor of, can he stay healthy for one? Can he make that bike work for him for two? And how well is he going to go into the, you know, world side or the MX2, side of things, only motocross? But who knows? That's why I'm asking you guys. Comment down below. You tell me. Do you think it's a good move for him? Do you think it's a bad move for him? Should he have stayed over here and, raced Supercross and just found a different team? Or is it, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.